So have you ever been watching one of your favorite content creators and they do a what I would like to call a fake shake test or a fake drop test for a pair of earbuds? Now it can be any pair of earbuds and they literally take the case, turn it around, and they shake the earbuds while they're still in the case and try to see if they're going to come out of there, therefore testing the magnet strength. And after they do the test, they say, well, they're not going to pop out of there if you drop them. Anybody that has ever dropped their earbuds know that is not entirely true. If you drop your earbuds on cement, they're going to pop out of there. They're going to pop out of there like you're playing a game of dice and you're looking for that lucky number 7 to come. Okay, so lucky for you guys, I found a solution to that particular problem. Now, if you're into like that sleek, non-bulky look, this may not work for you, but I would honestly ask that you give this a try because it works 100% for me and my use case scenario. And I'm more than sure that it'll work for you and your use case scenario. So this particular one is made by ESR and I think it's the best, but again, just find the one that you rock with. What this case does is basically goes over your AirPods and basically gives it sort of like a shield. I mean, the shield is okay, but not uncommon. So what it actually does, aside from that, it has a locking mechanism that stops your earbuds from popping out of there. You literally and physically have to switch this and actually pop these bad boys open. And also there's a magnet that attaches or attracts the top and the bottom, so they automatically close if you're not using them. Now, another particular feature of this case is its compatibility with MagSafe. Now, if you are buying these for iPod 4s, the ability to MagSafe charge has been discontinued, although you still can charge wirelessly. But of course, people love to MagSafe charge because it gives you that added security to know that you're actually charging and your actual AirPods won't slip off the charger. Of course, as you can see, the case also gives you the ability to see the actual indicator light so you can see if it's charging or completely charged or whatever the light may suggest. Now, I don't really want to bore you guys, but I'm going to show you a drop test and I'm pretty sure you already know because you've already probably dropped your earbuds once before. Now, keep in mind, I'm kneeling down during this particular drop test and I'm barely tossing these bad boys and they are popping out of there, especially when I get to throwing them. As you can see, one of them popped out right there. And then I go inside to another particular area and toss them up, nothing, toss them up again. Both of them come out of there like, again, a game of dice. So I feel like that is sort of deceiving, not sort of, it is deceiving what YouTubers try to convince you guys because they don't want to damage their products. Here I am putting my products on the line to show you guys exactly what happens. And of course, we're going to do one with the case and of course, with this particular case on, there is absolutely no damage and the case works perfectly fine. Anyway, what do you guys think about this particular ESR case? Would you buy one for your AirPods? Until next time, this your boy Tate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'm gone. Peace.